Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and it's not often I do reveal videos, but this one was too good not to share. All right, y'all, I really want to show off what I've got here, and it's been with a lot of conversation with BBS. I'm really proud to bring you their brand new BBS Unlimited Wheels. Now, in a future video, we're going to go through the install of these and the incredible features that these wheels have. But what I wanted to do is show off to you the color and my plan for the car.
You've got yourself something funky.
All right, guys, I hope you're as excited as I am, and I had a revelation.